Hey guys, welcome back to FLA Labs. Today I'm going to show you how we turn this little fidget toy into this giant 1000% scale fidget toy. For those of you who don't know my wife, she has fidget toys hidden literally everywhere in our house. So I think our best chance at impressing her with 3D printing is just to make her a giant fidget toy. So I was looking on Amazon and I found these bearings that are about 3 times bigger than the fidget roller we made before. So now we need to scale up our existing model by 300% so that it will work with the new bearings. There we go. That looks great. I'm going to print that and then we can get to assembling. Honey, look what I made you! Okay, I thought surely that a 300% fidget roller was going to be plenty big enough, that my wife was going to be impressed and I will have succeeded. But as you can tell, she's not impressed. She's just not. So we're going to have to try again. We're going to have to go bigger. Okay, before we get started, I just want to let you guys all in on a little secret. I'm actually selling these fidget rollers on Etsy right now for $15 a piece, or you can pick 2 colors for $25. But as a special thanks to all of my viewers, I'm going to be putting a discount code in the description of this video where you can get exclusive pricing, 10% off of any of these fidget rollers you see. Alright, let's get back to the build. If we're going to do this thing right, we're going to need a lot of filament. So I reached out to my partner at MatterHackers. MatterHackers has the best build series filament I've ever used. It costs about $20 a roll, and if you order 2 or more you get free shipping. MatterHackers prints perfectly smooth and I never have to worry about tangled spools or stringing or getting clogged. I don't want to have to deal with any of that because this print is going to take 7 days to complete even if there aren't any failures. So I'm trusting MatterHackers. If you're interested in using the build series filament that I used for this project, check out the affiliate link in my description. It's also a great way to help support my channel. Thanks MatterHackers for sponsoring the material for this video. Rachel, come look at this.
It's so much bigger!
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you're still here, it's probably because you liked the video or because you're my mom. Either way, you should consider subscribing, and if you're looking for more content just like this, here's another video I think you're gonna like. Thanks again to Matter Hackers for sponsoring the material for this video. See you next time.